How to join a community on Roblox. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily join communities on Roblox. Roblox allows its users to create and join groups based on their shared interests, such as gaming clans, fan clubs, or developers team. These groups often have ranks, roles, and group walls for discussions. So let's see how you can join the communities on Roblox. First thing first, you'll have to open up your Roblox app, and then from here, you just have to make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you also have to make sure that you have the latest version of the app, and now you'll land on the homepage. The next step is to find the party option on the bottom navigation bar, or in some cases, you'll see chats. So just tap on it, and then right on top of your party, you'll have an option that says communities. Just tap on this one, and if you already are in a community, it will show you right here. As you can see, I've joined this Rumble Studios earlier, but if you don't have anything, you won't be seeing anything on the screen. Now tap on more communities, and from here, you will be taken to a list of different communities that you can join. As you can see, these are really big communities with 25 million members, 13 million, 9 million, and many more. So the first one is the Experience Studio. It frequently hosts events and temporary communities to form around these events. You also have building, so if you are into game building, you can join these communities. There are different communities for role playing and different communities from creators of Roblox. So all you have to do is tap on any community that you want to join, or you can also search for them and then simply tap on join community, and then you should be able to join the community. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.